Now that you've made your dot creations and have explored in our exploratory corner, it is time for you to show me what you've done. You're going to go to Add Response. You'll select your name. First, this space here is where you take a picture of what you created out of one black dot. So I would take a picture of my flower drawing. I can use the camera tool on Seesaw, and then I take a picture. When I'm done, I go to slide 2. Take a picture of what you created using 2 black dots together. So I would take a picture of my 2 black dot creation, use my camera, and then I would post it. Remember, I want you to have your own creation, not a flower and a self-portrait like I did. Do your own inventive thinking. Then you'll take a picture of what you created using 3 black dots together. Then I want you to go on a scavenger hunt. And I want you to find and take a picture of something that has circles, spots, or dots. You're going to look around. What can you find that has some dots on it? And you will take a picture and post it on this slide. Finally, I want you to tell me what's something you did in the exploratory corner. You had so many options. You could click on the bus, or the fish tank, or the space helmet, or the fruit pizza. So I just want you to tell me what you did. You can take a picture, like if you watched the fruit pizza video and then you made your own fruit pizza, you could take a picture of your fruit pizza and post it on here. Maybe you listened to the Wheels on the Bus song. Then if you want to, you can type Wheels on the Bus, or you can type bus, that you clicked on the bus. Then I would move it to be in the middle. So what did you do? If you clicked on the space helmet, you could tell me that you did space. Or on this slide, you can record your voice and it'll count down 3, 2, 1, and then you'll just tell me, what did you do in the exploratory corner? Before you submit your activity to me, I have 2 questions for you. First, how much help did you need to do this activity? Circle this if you needed a lot of help. Circle this if you needed some help to do your 10 black dots activity. And circle this one if you did it all by yourself. Then I want you to tell me, how much did you like it? Did you not like your 10 black dots activity? Did you like it or did you love it? So maybe I needed some help to do my activities. I would circle that, but then maybe I loved doing it. So then I circle that. Once you have your answers submitted and you have all 6 of your slides filled out, then you can hit this green check mark to send it in to your teacher. All right, thank you so much for joining me today and this week with your thinking skills lesson. See you soon.